Finally, my baby's Christmas hair. See how gorgeous, see how beautiful this hairstyle looks. And of course, there's no way I will make my baby's Christmas hair without showing my mama's. So that is what we are here to do today. Are you ready? Now let's dive right in. You know the rules here. At this point, I don't feel the need to say it anymore. But for the purpose of new members on here, the rules are we work on a clean hair and we always moisturize. Okay. I decided to skip other parts because I literally at this point I almost add it in every video. So I said, you know what, not today, not today. But yeah, we work on a clean hair and we moisturize a lot. Okay, so this is the extension I will be using for this hairstyle. It is called French coils. I believe a lot of you mamas knows this extension if you probably haven't even used it yourself. Yeah, it is called French coils. I cut it once. This is I don't know the inches this is. So if you can get it in 10 inches or 12 inches, I don't think you would need to cut it. Like 12 inches, you wouldn't need to cut it at all. But if it's like 20 inches, 24 inches, then you have to cut it one. You guys saw that I just cut one, the middle. And after that, I moisturize it so it's easy to separate. And then I started separating just like this because there's no one to be giving the extensions to me. So I prepped it so everything can go smoothly. So now that we are done with all the prepping, let us dive right into the hair making. For that, I parted the straight line all the way to the back, like we're working with small size. This is not medium, this is not jumbo, this is small size. Okay, it was I think I got halfway when I started regretting. Oh, you should have just done medium size. You should have just done medium size. My daughter have a very full hair, so guys, nobody prepared me on how long this hairstyle was going to take. But yeah, that is just by the way. You guys are seeing what I'm doing. It is a knotless braid and it is also a boho braid. Yeah, this is a French cause boho braid. Imagine adding extensions at intervals. Yeah, so this hairstyle took a whole lot of time. So I always start with her hair. I start braiding with her hair because it's a knotless braid. So after like I start with the hair, basically no step at all, and then I go in with a strand of the extension. I braid it in and then go in with another strand. I braid it in, and I think I add like three strands before I start braiding as proper, and also remove at intervals, like I add extensions. Just watch the process because my explanation is not gonna cut it, trust me. Okay, but here are the things you need to take care of. You need to take note of, especially if you're the one making this hair yourself, if you're the one making making this hair yourself, or your daughter, or even anyone else. You need to take note of these few things. If your child's hair is full, please avoid small size knotless wig. Just avoid small size of this hairstyle if your child's hair is very full, because trust me, your kid can't see through it. Kids cannot see through it at all. The reason my daughter was able to see through it is because she's used to it, and I kind of encourage her, like she knows the deal, right? She knows everything basically at this point. So that's why it looks like, oh, she sits calm. But trust me, we are always stretching at interval, always give her break, which is why this hair took longer than normal, because she always get tired and I always have to allow her to her thing. By the way, this is the next day. Yeah, that is how much time it took. We started the previous day. Did we started like the other party guys. So we started that day. Let's say we started as of 12, and then at 6 p.m. the extension finished. I got to pack of this French course. So take notes, depend on how full the person's hair is. I think 2 pack would be enough, if not for the size that I was making. So if your child's hair is not very full like Adobe's own, 2 pack would be enough. And also, if you depending on the size again, just 2 pack or 3 pack. But I got 2 packs only for it to finish at about 7, and it was late at that time. I don't even know what I was thinking, but yeah, it was late and we just had to leave it be, and we continued this day. The next day I went to the market. I got another one. I got each of them for 5,500 naira. So basically the first two was 11,000 naira, and then I went back. Yeah, Yeah, just like that. So take note, like I was saying, the things you need to put in mind when making this hairstyle is how full is that person's hair. If the person's hair is very full, especially if it's a child, please avoid small sizes like this. It's gonna take so long, and the child would likely not be able to see through it. Except there are a lot of people making it all at once. That is the only saving grace you would have. And also, oh god, there's another I want to mention. Oh my god, how can I forget? How can I forget? Okay, also, if you're making it all by yourself, please have somewhere, where you can arrange the extensions down. You need to be down on standby, like stand by, because if not, you're gonna hear when you're gonna cry. So make sure you have something. For me, I have this braiding rack. I recently got it and it helped me out a lot. I know that I was gonna make this hair one day, even though I've had that braiding rack a long time ago. I bought it a while ago, but I never got to use it. I knew that I was definitely going to use it this festive period, and I got to use it, and it came so much in handy. So I always get to prep the extensions down, and I start taking from there. So you need to have this if you're making your chart yourself. If you don't have anyone that will be helping you out with the extensions, it's even better than people giving you, because trust me, the sizes will not be the same, especially if the person is not a braider. There's every tendency that the extensions will not be the same size. The person will give you big size, small size. So braiding racks are good. You can get it from Temu, you can get it from Amazon, wherever. I got it from an online store around town. So yeah, basically that is that for that, guys. We are done. So this on the second day, it literally took no time. I mean, it was just a few left, so it didn't take time at all. Let's say we spent like 2 hours on the second day, and I was done. At this point, I was so happy, because I didn't get to do anything the first day. I didn't do nothing at all. Like, I literally, for 3 days straight, I didn't get to do nothing. The first day, I took out her hair and I washed it. I prepped her hair down. Then the second day, I started at around 12, 11 ish, and throughout that day till evening, I didn't get to do anything. And then this third day, I did a little bit. Okay, I did a little bit. Anyways, we're done with that hair. You guys saw the length. Now I am trimming it. Of course, she's a child. There's no way I'm gonna leave her. I'm gonna allow her have that kind of long hair walking about. I mean, like, she's a child. It doesn't make any sense, right? So I had to cut it. I want it to look like a bob, but not bob, because at the end of the day, I want it to be short. Okay, not even bob, because she won't even be able to carry bob, like the bob. There is the one they call bob for this style. Yeah, she wouldn't be able like this. Maybe even shorter than this, but she would not be able to carry, because she do not like hair on her body. That is one thing about my daughter. She don't want hair on her body. So I always make sure, since I'm done, pack it up, just remove the hair from her face, remove the hair from her body, from touching her back. So that is one of the reasons I cut her. And also, I went in with a leave-in conditioner before this mousse, okay, to detangle the hair, to make sure the hair does not stick together. And trust me, it did it. It's been like how many days now? 3 days since I made the hair, and the hair is still on its own. Like, it's not tangled up. It's nothing. Especially being the fact that she's a child, it's not tangled up. That is what leave-in conditioner and this mousse can do for you. So make sure you use a leave-in conditioner as soon as you're done, and then you go in with a mousse. This will help keep the hair, separated, not tangled up, no nothing, no clocking, no whatever at all. And also, the French curls also matters. Depending on the French curls, make sure you're getting the good quality one, because there are lots of fake out there. Don't go and be buying the packet ones like Expression, Darling, all those ones. Nah, you will not see a good one. Trust me, you will not see quality one out of all those ones. So get naked ones like this. If that's what they are called, but they are synthetic hair, so I wouldn't even call it naked. Anywho's, we are done. Look at my girl. See how gorgeous this sister look. I had to change her outfit, because I just felt like the yellow she wore earlier was contrasting with the color. I mean, the hair color is burgundy. Burgundy. Is burgundy, right? Burgundy. Burgundy. Yeah. And then her t-shirt was her outfit was yellow. So it was just constructing. It wasn't making sense. So I had to make sure I had to have her change her outfit. And now everything looked balanced, toned down, not overly out of I just at this point, I feel like the yellow was okay. There was nothing wrong with that yellow. But yeah, guys, see how gorgeous this hair turned out. I decided to choose this color instead of black or brown. I mean, come on now, it's festive season, and she has always been asking me, like, she always like color hair, especially pink. I know this is not pink, but I mean it's close to pink. It's close to pink. And it turned out gorgeous. Do let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this hair? What do you think? They like it? Will you be trying it out? And by the way, have you made your baby's Christmas hair? Have you? If you haven't, take mic now, take microphone and tell me why you have not made my darling's hair. Tell me why. Why, mommy? Why? Please hurry up. I'll go make my princess hair, okay? Especially now. It's their season, no? You made your own when you're around that age. So make sure you do for my baby. Anyway, ciao. Bye. Mwah.